Senses are so important to us. I thought I would share with you a senses activity that I have completed with children in the past. The idea is that we start to listen to the sounds around us, and that when we are perfectly still and quiet, it allows us to hear more. The best time to do this activity is after a playtime or during the forest school activity. The children simply lie down on the ground. A sunny day is appreciated. Don't get them lying down on the wet grass, etc. And they listen. That's it. After a while, the children will start to hear different sounds which they didn't actually hear before. Afterwards, you can have a discussion with the children about what they heard, or even, like I like to do, write some poetry about it. I would give them the starting line of, "When all is silent, I hear." Then they can make a list or I'll add adjectives or adverbs to each sound. Let me give you an example. When all is silent, I hear the speeding cars, the breath of the wind, the sound of my rumbling tummy. I'm not sure. I hope you get the idea with this. And you could just put cars, wind, or stomach, and so that it can really create a nice series of poems that can go up on display, or you can make it into a class poetry book. I'm not sure whether this quote is correct or even who said it, but I would always put the poems on display with a title across the top, which says, "How soft the sound of butterflies eating."